Hey everyone, this is KRISH for Criteriyeah, and today we're going to unbox the Oneplus 5T. Let's get started. With a traditional balance of brilliant design and specifications, Oneplus has always put its best foot forward every time they come out with their flagship up. And with the company's so-called policy of coming out with a flagship device hypothetically every 6 months, the Oneplus 5T still holds the spotlight. So with the typical OnePlus packaging, the Oneplus 5T is here. Let's quickly cut down the packaging and see what are the contents available inside the box. With just the 5 and not the T on the top, as soon as you open the box, you get the device itself, which straightaway takes your eye to the stunning display and build quality. Further, you get a fiber case, standard OnePlus documentation with OnePlus stickers and a SIM ejector tool. And as you get inside, you get a OnePlus exclusive dash charger, a USB-C data cable for quick charging and data transfer. The Oneplus 5T has a tall 6-inch 18:9 aspect ratio optic AMOLED display with a resolution around 3160 into 1080 pixels at 401 ppi with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Up at the top of the screen, the Oneplus 5T has a 16 megapixel front-facing camera with a notification LED, speaker, and a proximity sensor. At the back, with the fingerprint sensor, the Oneplus 5T has a 16 and 20 megapixel dual rear camera with dual LED flash. Further, on the left, you get the volume rockers and the traditional mute switch. On the right, you get the power button and the dual SIM tray. And finally, down at the bottom, you get the speaker grill, USB-C dash charging port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the inside, the Oneplus 5T is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 835 chipset, which is an octa-core processor clocked at 2.45 GHz with Adreno 540 GPU. This Oneplus 5T has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which is not expandable. It's also available in a 128 GB variant with 8 GB of RAM. The battery on the Oneplus 5T is around 3300 mAh, which does have OnePlus exclusive quick dash charging support. All in all, by giving the major smartphone giants a run for their money, OnePlus has made it pretty clear what they're here for. And for the people who just look at big brands and specifications, do remember the name. So I will be back with a complete review of the Oneplus 5T in another video. Until then, if you have any further questions or queries about the particular device, you can drop them in the comment section below. And as always, if you like my content, consider subscribing and also click on the bell icon to get notifications on my latest postings. Until I see you in the next one, do take care of yourself, and thank you very much for watching.